Graph of direct proportion. In Ratio Tutorial 4.1 we proved that ratios produce a linear graph. Since the direct proportion is obtained by two equal ratios, it is easy to conclude that the graph representing a direct proportion is a straight, sloped line that starts from the origin. Otherwise it is not a direct proportion, where the slope is determined by the simplest form of the ratio or of the unit rate. Let's consider one such a graph to clarify this point. The graph in the following example is not an example of direct proportion, because the ratios of position at the two given instants are not the same as the ratios of time. In other words, 320 1/100ths is different from 20/10, as the first ratio gives 1.5 and the second gives 2. We have the following shown on screen. Therefore, the quantities involved in the above situation are not directly proportional. In simpler words, the graph must start from the origin in order to have a direct proportion. We have the following shown on screen. Here, both ratios are the same as 220 1/100ths equals 20/10 equals 2. Therefore, the quantities involved are directly proportional, or simply, proportional. Remark: it is better to solve the situations with ratios, not with rates when dealing with proportions. In other words, it is better to divide two like quantities instead of the unlike ones. Example: which of the following situations involves a direct proportion? A. B. 5 kg of paint can paint 30 meters squared wall while 12 kg paint can paint 72 meters squared wall. Solution: A. We will check whether the ratios are equal by dividing the like quantities. We have the following shown on screen. The first fraction gives 2/3 while the second gives 3/5. Therefore, this situation does not involve a direct proportion. B. Again, we take the ratios and we obtain the following shown on screen. The first ratio is already in the simplest form, and the second ratio gives 5/12 when written in the simplest terms. Therefore, the quantities involved are proportional. That is all for lesson 4.3.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 4.3.4, Cross Product in Direct Proportion. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.